Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can repair the Windows Defender on your Windows 11. So in some cases that your Windows Defender Windows security is facing an issue, like this is not opening, so repairing it can help to fix that issue. Now, how can we repair the Windows Defender Windows security of our Windows 11? Now you have to click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options right here, click on Apps. That's under Personalization. Then in the list of options right here, you have to click on the first option, Installed Apps. Then in the search bar, let us search for Security. Now click on the System Components and you will find the Windows Security. Now you have to click on the three dots that corresponds to the Windows security and click on Advanced Options. Simply scroll down and you'll find Repair button. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on Repair. And once that is done, if your issue still existing, then if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system component's data will be deleted. Click on Reset button and reset once again. So this is how you can reset the Windows Defender Windows security on your Windows. Another method is through a command prompt wherein we are going to search for CMD in the Windows search bar. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. In here, we need to type this command sfc /scan now. This command will scan for and repair system corrupt files and repair the whole Windows, which includes the Windows Defender Windows security. So it's sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this process will take some time. This will start from 1% and this will goes up to 100% depending on the speed of the process. So once this is done, you can just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So this is how you can repair the Windows Defender Windows security of your Windows. So I hope this pretty simple video helped you on how you can do that. So please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.